As the child of military parents, travel has been part of my life since I was small. As a person of faith and as a pastor, travel has given me new lenses through which to see the world, to see myself, even to see God. My colleague, Christine Walters-Painter, says that a tourist is someone who experiences new places but remains the same person. A pilgrim is someone who experiences new places and is transformed by them. That's the vision for travel that I had when I founded Progressive Pilgrimage. We have taken people of faith to the Holy Land, to Ireland, to Scotland, to Western Europe, and we're even planning our first civil rights pilgrimage for 2021. I know that travel is unthinkable now in this season of global pandemic. But I still believe it is important for people of faith that we might expand our ideas about the world and deepen our faith in God. It can take more than 18 months to plan a pilgrimage for a congregation or faith community. So if you've thought about traveling with your congregation, I hope that you might reach out to us now to begin discussing how we could plan for 2022 or even beyond. And in the meantime, I hope you'll remember that pilgrimage is not only about where we go, it's about how we go. It's about going with openness and intentionality. And so I hope that in this season of pandemic and stay-at-home orders and close quarters, you and your congregation might find yourself on a pilgrimage of the heart, journeying in new ways and connecting afresh with God. And I hope we might travel the road together soon. Until then, be well.